What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I've got another video for you here today. First, a word from my sponsor. Haley, who's the sponsor?
Jesus.
Matthew 27, verse 46. Jesus is hanging on the cross and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? God was forsaking Jesus in that moment. Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. And I believe that that is true because he had all of the forsaking that he had to forsake. He forsook on Jesus in that moment. My mother, Haley's grandmother, the grandma that we know watches this channel, one of the grandmothers we know watches this channel, tried to correct me and say I was conjugating the verb forsake incorrectly. And I said I was doing that on purpose. I know that I was forsaking. There was something that forsake. I don't know. I know I was conjugating it wrong. I'll say it correctly now, Grandma. Sorry.
You didn't just say it correctly, though.
What did I say?
You still said forsook.
Okay. Well, from now on, I'll say it correctly. All right. I've hit on a bunch of dunks lately. I've got 3 right here right now. There's another one coming on Tuesday. Today's Sunday when I'm recording all 3 of these videos. I'm going to make 3 videos out of this. And I've got another one coming, and I think I've got like 4 more pairs of shoes on the way. So we got a lot. I still got a lot more fire, and I've got a whole bunch of fire right now as I'm recording this. I think I have like 10 videos just sitting in uploaded into YouTube already, edited and ready to go that just haven't been published yet. So these came up on the Nike app during spring break. It was like the first full week of April, and this was on Wednesday that week, and I got to pick up Isaac. We were going to go to some shoe stores. We went to Amamaniere and Social Status. Back in the day, not back in the day, we didn't go back in the day that day. We went to, we might have gone to a couple malls. Yeah, we did. We went to a couple malls and good times. And then I think we still went to a couple other places. But when I got to Isaac's house, it was like 10:15, and these were still sitting on the Nike app. I didn't even know they came out that day. And I'm like, dude, you got to buy them for me. And of course I paid him back, and he took my box. Can you believe that, Haley? He took my box. Like, I need shipping boxes. Because Peyton listened to exactly what I said. I said, hey, go throw all the boxes away that are in the garage, even though I had previously stated don't throw my shoe shipping boxes away. She threw them all away, and I need boxes, and Isaac took mine. Anyways, I really wanted this for Hesper. I don't know if Haley's going to like it.
I do like it.
She snuck a peek at this. But I wanted it for Hesper because you're also going to see this. I think this week is when the video where Peyton gets to pick a shoe. I think you'll see that before you see all of this. But I've got 3 dunks here that are very similar dunks, and hopefully Hesper will like at least one of them and keep at least one of them. The one that's coming on Tuesday, I think she'll like more. But we're going to compile this like into a little mini-series. But this is the Nike Dunk High GS White Midnight Navy. This is not the one I thought it was. I don't think.
Yeah, it is.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be because he ordered this one for me.
I already looked at it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is Midnight Navy, White Midnight Navy, and Court Purple.
Yeah, the Midnight Navy is the swoosh.
Yeah, the swoosh is Midnight Navy. Obviously, there's white, and there's a bunch of Court Purple. I like these purple laces. They're cute. Like
I agree.
The laces and the sock liner are the same shade of purple, while you might have even a different shade of purple here on the tongue tag for the Nike and the swoosh. The tongue tag is Midnight Navy though, and again the swoosh is Midnight Navy. Outsole purple. I really like this. If this was in my size, I would potentially even keep it for myself if I was able to get this in my size. But this was grade school only, at least when they were released a couple weeks ago. But I finally got this here in hand. We get a white, what's it called? Insole. Same, just Ortholite, which would what we'd expect. But I do kind of like the look of the white insole with the purple sock liner.
You can barely see it, but yeah.
Better.
No, it's just the hole's like this big. Whatever, you get the point.
Yeah. It just kind of pops, I guess, because it's in there. But 6.5. This is Haley and Hesper's size. We'll get Hesper's reaction to this all at once. But I mean, this is just a normal dunk. There's not a whole lot of anything to this. Did he take my Isaac? There's nothing in these shoes. Maybe they're not putting them in there. I don't know. But I like this one. Again, I would wear it. It will go with my Dunk Low Court Purples. if I haven't worn them yet, but if I end up wearing them. One other thing to point out here, we got a messed up box from Nike. And we have the retail suggested retail price sticker on this one with no dollar amount on it. We've seen that here recently. A lot of them don't have any sticker. Some of them have the sticker just with no actual price on them. So y'all let me know what you think about this below. Hesper we're going to be recording this video today, all three of these videos today, including Hesper's reaction as she unboxes all, or gets her first peek at all three of them in the same video that'll be for this shoe, because y'all, I've already reviewed this shoe on this on the channel before, but we'll get hers. So comment down below if you think she should keep this one. Then you can comment on this video, see if she can tell us if she could keep this one, and then the third video will be the one where she's in it also. I think most of the standard dunk highs are like this, where the lace wings aren't sewed down. The leather it's good. I mean, it's decent. It honestly feels a little bit better than most Panda dunks. So I'm happy with this for what it is. It's like $100 shoe. Maybe it was $105. I think I paid him $120 because Isaac didn't really want to buy it for me. But I was like, dude, I'm gonna have to log in and then log into PayPal and then get checked out. And by that time, they're probably gonna be gone. Turns out they probably wouldn't have been, but we managed to get them anyway to make sure that and made sure that we got them so that Hesper can try these out. If Hesper ends up not choosing this one, I'll probably just take this one back. That I don't think, because they were sitting for, I mean, they didn't sell out instantly. They were sitting for hours at least in this size. But Haley,
I like it.
You like it?
I like it 8.7 out of 10.
8.7 out of 10. Yeah, I think I would prefer a low, because I can slip lows on a little bit easier. I like that about it. But the lows don't have lace wings that you cannot tie through. And I don't think I have any dunk highs. I got the mids. I just sold the chocolate milks that I've held on to for a while. I just sold those, but I do wear the strawberry milks. But we will get these other videos recorded, get these out soon. This will be the first video that you see, so stay tuned for the other videos. Very similar dunks to these. I would assume that the quality is all going to be very similar. This is decent quality. I'm not disappointed with it. It's about what I'd expect, maybe even a little bit better than what I'd expect. Colors look pretty good. I'm happy about that. It's odd that Court Purple is not in the colorway, but whatever. It's definitely in the color of the shoe. So stay tuned. Make sure you're subbed and you're watching these videos, and that you're commenting on my video something pertinent to what I'm saying, because the 2,000 subscriber giveaway to the most valuable sub is getting here really quick. 1,730 something subs. We got 118 subs in the last 28 days, so we're cooking it. Stay tuned and tell your grandma. We'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.